This Power Pro electric drywall sander was designed for all-around drywall sanding, including those hard-to-reach ceilings and walls. It provides the finishing touches on new housing construction and drywall renovation work that is faster than conventional drywall sanding, and cleanup time is significantly minimized when used in conjunction with an external industrial vacuum cleaner. This drywall sander is great for the weekend do-it-yourself warriors or seasoned professionals. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful. 10 watts motor provides reliable, dynamic power to the sanding pad and is mid-stem mounted to balance the 14 pounds lightweight body. The variable speed motor operates from 1000 to 2100 RPM. Number 2. Dust extraction. 13 feet static dissipating PVC dust hose will significantly remove drywall dust when connected to your shop vacuum. A circle of brushes around the head helps to sweep dust from the wall and contain it under the sanding head, to ease dust extraction through the tool. Number 3. Adjustable angle. 9 inches diameter sanding head swivels in all directions with the flexible drive shaft to keep the head flat to the wall. This provides much less arm and shoulder bending, twisting to help make your work efficient. Number 4. Exceptional control. Aluminum alloy extension handle extends the sander to 5.5 feet. Which allows for a wider range of use. The integrated auxiliary handle allows for better balance, management, and control. Number 5. Package accessories. Carrying bag, 2 sets of 9 inches sanding discs 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 240 grit hook and loop, 13 feet anti-static dust hose, hose adapters, integrated auxiliary handle, extra set of carbon brushes, hex key, dual-purpose screwdriver, user manual, warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.